Sai Ram, I offer my loving pranams at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba and Sadguru Shri Siddheshwar Baba. Continuing with the series of signal videos, in today's video, you will get to know about Gurudev's 27th signal. Guruji's 26th signal exposed the most original formations of the mind before his consciousness. That visualization gave him a sense of freedom from the clutches of some very powerful and original infantile patterns of behavior. Those patterns remained at the surface for some days. Then, after a few days of meditation, one day immediately he felt that those patterns were dissolving and the gate of the Brahmarandra was shaking. A joy engulfed him, and he started uttering sentences like, God bless him, God give him happiness, for all those persons who he hated once for reasons of his own rejection and pain. Some image appeared in Guruji's mind which wanted to hit him, but Gurudev immediately said, May God bless you. It was one of the most wonderful experiences of liberation and change inside. This signal for the first time enlightened him about certain behavior aspects of certain great saints and yogis, like how Lord Vishnu, when kicked by Rishi Bhrigu, could say in return, Sir, your foot must have got hurt, let me press it. Or how Lord Jesus could say that when one receives a slap on one cheek, one should offer the other cheek. Or how some saints, when abused by someone, could say, May God bless you. This signal gave him realization that the roots of ill will towards all rejectors, all deniers, all persecutors, and all others were getting consumed. Now it looked at the total basis of the personality which he developed while living in the socio-material world were being finally knocked out. He felt that a new personality, untouched by the ego world, was emerging. He felt that he shall no longer be like them, though he will remain and walk with them as one of them. So this was the Guruji's 27th signal. To know about Gurudev's other signals, keep watching upcoming videos. Jai Sai Ram.